Hey, what's up guys, I'm Lan here. Welcome back to a new video on my channel. In this video we are going to do iPad 8th generation unboxing and overview. So as you can see, this is a sealed box. So I got it from Amazon. I'll be giving you the links in the video description. So here's the box. As you can see, it's mentioned iPad 8th generation, and yes, I opted for the 32GB variant, and the price quoted here is 29,900. So if you're having Amazon payback card or something, then you'll probably eligible for extra cashbacks. Anyway, I'll give it a link in the video description, so definitely check that out. So here's the box, as you can see. So in this video we're just gonna do the unboxing, and I will also completely set up my iPad 8th generation. And for your information, this is gonna be my first iPad ever. Since I have the iPhone and MacBook and Apple Watch, I wanted to buy this and wanted to have an iPad to complete my ecosystem. So let's start the video. And before that, if you're new here on my channel and happen to enjoy this kind of videos, do give this video a thumbs up, because many more awesome videos are coming up. And also I would sincerely request you to subscribe to the channel, because actually it means a lot for me, and also it motivates me a lot to make more of this kind of videos. And with that being said, let's get right into the video. Alright guys, so as you can see, this is a sealed box. So taking a look at the box here, we don't get to see anything apart from an image of the iPad. So here it's mentioned iPad and an Apple logo. So let me do one thing. I have my scissor over here, so let me just cut the seal open so that we can take a look at the product. Let me peel the plastic off. Alright guys, so here is the iPad box. Let me open it. Alright, so it's coming up. So opening the box, first we get to see the iPad 8th generation. So I opted for the silver gray model, as you can see. So this is the iPad. We'll just keep that aside for the time being, and we'll take a look what else do we get in the box. So after that, we get to see some documentation. We'll have a brief look at it, what exactly we get to see. So as you can see, it's an iPad manual, and apart from that, what else? We get to see some stickers. Let me see. Yeah, so some Apple stickers, and that's it. And most interestingly, we get to see this 20-watt power adapter. So this is a fast charger by Apple. Along with that, we get to see this USB type C to lightning cable. So also I have an iPhone over here. So I used to use this 12-watt adapter. So now I will be using this 20-watt fast charging adapter for both my iPad and iPhone. So that's it in the box guys. So let me keep all these things aside and let me focus on the iPad now. Alright guys, so here is the iPad. So let me peel the plastic off. Alright, so as you can see, this is the iPad itself. It looks beautiful, first impression. So I opted for the silver gray color, as you can see. So on the back you get to see the Apple logo, and we have a 8-megapixel camera over here. And on top also, luckily, we get to see the 3.5mm headphone jack or power button. And let's talk about the front. We have a 1.2-megapixel camera, and as well as the Touch ID. So let me do one thing. Let me hit the power button and let me see whether we can turn this on. Alright, so I have hit the power button. Already we got to see the Apple logo. So I'll be setting up this iPad. Also I have an iPhone, so I'll be logging in with the same Apple ID which is logged in with my iPhone. So let's see. So it says hello. So in this video I'm going to completely show you the process as well. I see that 58% of charge is left. Okay, so it says press home to open. Alright, so let me select English and then select your country or region. Let me select India. Right, setting language. Takes a little bit of time guys, so set up manually. Preferred language is English, keyboard is fine, so continue. So let me just quickly set up my Wi-Fi. Okay, it says it may take a few minutes to activate your iPad. So it takes a couple of minutes to set this iPad. I already see the Wi-Fi is connected, so maybe it's processing something. Also I got to see the time and day, so it's just taking some time. So data and privacy, continue, touch ID. Let me set up the touch ID. So I have to place my finger multiple times. Okay, adjust your grip, continue, complete, create a passcode. So let me create a passcode. So it gives me an option. It says restore from iCloud, restore from PC, don't transfer apps and data. So I want to set it up as a fresh device. So let me put my Apple ID verification code. Okay, so as you can see, I was sent a code and automatically it popped up in my iPhone. So let me click on allow. 600715. Right, takes a little bit time. Alright guys, so I'm almost done setting up my iPad. Let's click on continue. So just take some time. It says keeping your iPad up to date, continue, and then iCloud keychain, continue, and then it says Siri setup later in settings, continue, screen time, share with developers, light, and get started. Alright, as you can see, this is Apple iPad 8th generation. As you can see, let me move it around. So as you can see, let me click on settings. What notifications do we have? And also let me see with which iPad version it comes in. General, go to about. As you can see, it comes with iPad OS 14.0.1. so we should get an update very soon if we go ahead and check in software update. So let me check for whether any software update is available for iPad 8th generation. As you can see, iPad OS 14.3 is available. So I'm not gonna update that in the video. I will make a separate video if you guys want it on iPad OS 14.3. Just need to download and install. It's pretty simple. Also, I need to finish setting my iPad, the CD and things, whatever the things were left. So I will do that later on. So this is just an unboxing video. It's running on iPad OS 14. As you can see, this is very beautiful, and we have the default apps like shortcuts, iTunes stores, iMovie, and things like that available here. So this is the video guys. I wanted to buy an iPad for so long because I have an iPhone and MacBook, so it just completes the ecosystem overall. So I wanted to buy an iPad. So here's my iPad. Now I will be using it for my note taking purpose because there are a lot of online courses that I do daily basis. So, and I wanted to experience that digital note taking, so I wanted to buy an iPad for so long. So also, I hope you enjoyed this video, and that's it for this video guys. And also I have bought few iPad 8th generation accessories. As you can see, I'll make a separate video regarding the stylus through which I'll be taking digital notes, and the cover and the screen guard. So if you want, let me know. I'll make a separate video on iPad 8th generation accessories that I have bought for this new iPad. So I hope you like this small video. Give this video a thumbs up and let me know what and all videos that you would like to see on this iPad. Let me know that in the comment section below. So right now I will update my iPad and I'll just finish setting up my iPad again. So then again, I hope you enjoyed the video, and I will see you on my next video. Bye.